Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice from remaining rice. The secret to truly great fried rice begins with using day-old, cold rice. This ensures a firm texture that won't become mushy when stir-fried. Before you even start cooking, make sure to break up any large clumps of rice. This simple step guarantees even cooking and a delightful, fluffy result. Have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. Once your rice is ready, focus on preparing your other ingredients. Finely dice your chosen vegetables, such as carrots, peas, or bell peppers, into small, uniform pieces. This helps them cook quickly and evenly. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic and about 1 inch of fresh ginger to infuse your fried rice with aromatic depth. Finally, whisk 2 to 3 large eggs in a small bowl, preparing them for a fluffy, savory addition. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, such as vegetable or canola oil, in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your protein, like diced chicken, shrimp, or tofu, and stir-fry until it's fully cooked through. Then, toss in your diced vegetables, cooking them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cold, separated rice to the wok, breaking up any remaining clumps with your spatula. Stir-fry the rice for about 2 minutes, allowing it to heat through and develop a slightly crispy texture. Then, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that classic fried rice flavor. Stir everything together until it's well combined and piping hot. Enjoy your delicious homemade fried rice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.